Say goodbye to weak, aching muscles for good. If you're over 60, there's something quietly stealing your strength every single night. And no, it's not just getting older. It's what you're not doing before bed. Yes, your muscles are vanishing while you sleep. And if you're not doing this one simple thing every night, tomorrow morning, you could wake up just a little bit weaker than today. And that adds up day after day. So tell me honestly in the comments, do you do anything to protect your muscles before bed? Type yes or no. You might be surprised how many others are skipping this too. Asterisk, asterisk, you reach for something on the shelf and your arm feels like it's moving through molasses. You get out of bed and your legs feel like rubber. You sit down and suddenly standing back up feels like a workout. Sound familiar? This isn't just aging. This is sarcopenia. The medical term for age-related muscle loss. Most people think it's just a normal part of growing older. But what they don't know is this. Your body starts losing muscle around age 30. By the time you reach 65, most people have lost at least 25% of their muscle mass. And by 80, nearly half of your muscle tissue is gone. And here's the worst part. The majority of this happens while you sleep, especially if your muscles don't have the fuel they need to rebuild overnight. That's right. Most seniors go to bed malnourished, even if they ate dinner. Their body has nothing to rebuild with, and the result. Every single night, your muscles break down just a little more. It's slow. It's sneaky. It's completely preventable if you know what to do. But here's the good news. Muscle loss isn't just something you have to accept. You can stop it. You can slow it. And in many cases, you can even reverse it. And no, it doesn't require heavy gym workouts or lifting. Weights you can barely carry it. Starts with one simple action. Giving your muscles the right fuel at the right time, especially before bed. Because nighttime is when your body enters its deepest healing phase. If you give it the right ingredients, your muscles repair themselves while you sleep. Clinical trials have shown that seniors who take certain nutrients before sleep have seen up to 42% less muscle loss in just 8 weeks. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what those nutrients are in the form of 7 delicious natural foods. One of them, the number one on this list, is something you probably already have in your kitchen, but you've been eating it the wrong way. If you're ready to protect your muscles starting tonight, type YES in the comments below. Let's get into the list. #7. Greek yogurt with chia seeds. Let's kick off with a powerful but easy nighttime snack, plain Greek yogurt with chia seeds. Greek yogurt is one of the best sources of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that continues feeding your muscles for up to 8 hours while you sleep. Chia seeds, on the other hand, add a boost of magnesium and omega-3s, which help with muscle repair and inflammation control. Think of this combo like leaving a drip of nutrients running through your muscles all night long. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed casein protein before sleep experienced significantly improved overnight muscle recovery. How to eat it. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds optional, a few berries or a drizzle of honey. Avoid flavored yogurt. Those often contain added sugars that mess with blood sugar and can disrupt sleep. Asterisk, asterisk. Number Y, cottage cheese with cinnamon. You might remember this one from your childhood, but it's still a goldmine. Cottage cheese is loaded with leucine, an amino acid that's absolutely essential for building and preserving muscle. Adding a bit of Ceylon cinnamon helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, keeping your metabolism in a calm, muscle-repairing mode overnight. A 2012 clinical study showed that leucine-enriched proteins increased muscle synthesis in elderly participants by over 20% compared to standard protein. How to eat it. 1/2 cup of low-fat cottage cheese, sprinkle of cinnamon. Use real Ceylon if possible. Avoid premixed or sweetened versions. Sugar spikes insulin and halts muscle growth. Have you tried this combo before? Comment cottage cheese if yes. Asterisk number 5. Tart cherry juice. This one might surprise you. Tart cherry juice is not just good for sleep, it's also excellent for reducing muscle soreness and inflammation. Cherries are rich in melatonin and antioxidants, which aid deep sleep. But they also contain anthocyanins, compounds shown to reduce muscle damage after physical activity. A study from Northumbria University showed that participants who consumed tart cherry juice twice daily had faster muscle recovery and better sleep scores. How to take it to 4 to 6 ounces of pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice drink at about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Don't overdo it. Even natural sugars can add up. Hash for banana almond butter, smoothie. Let's talk magnesium, potassium, and healthy fats. This simple bedtime smoothie helps your muscles relax and recharge. Bananas are high in potassium and magnesium, both of which help prevent muscle cramps at night. Almond butter adds healthy fats and plant-based protein to keep your body in an anabolic state, meaning it's a muscle-building mode. Research published in Sleep Health Journal found that seniors with higher magnesium intake had improved sleep quality and muscle strength. How to make it: 1 small ripe banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk optional, pinch of cinnamon for blood sugar control. Blend until smooth and drink 45 minutes before bed. Comment smoothie. If you want us to pin the full recipe in the top comment. Number 3, bone broth with collagen. Let's bring it back to basics. Bone broth. This ancient remedy is packed with collagen, glycine, gelatin, and amino acids like proline, all essential for muscle fiber repair, joint health, and connective tissue strength. A meta-analysis in Nutrients Journal found that collagen supplementation in adults improved muscle composition, flexibility, and strength. How to take it: 1 cup of warm bone broth, not boiling, best taken 30 minutes before bed. Choose grass-fed or organic broth when possible, or make your own using leftover bones, herbs, and vegetables. Number 2, kiwis. The fuzzy little fruit you might skip at the store. Kiwis are surprisingly powerful for muscle protection because they help with sleep, protein digestion, and collagen synthesis. They're packed with vitamin C, which is essential for tissue repair and building connective tissue. A 4-week clinical trial showed that eating 2 kiwis an hour before bed helped adults fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up more refreshed, all of which contributes to muscle preservation. How to eat it: 1 ripe kiwi, and yes, you can eat the skin for extra fiber. Have it about 30 minutes before you sleep. Number 1, whey protein shake with L-glutamine. Now, it's the number 1 most powerful food you can have before bed to protect your muscles. Whey protein plus L-glutamine. Whey protein is a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair muscle tissue. Add L-glutamine and you supercharge recovery, reduce inflammation, and support gut health, which helps nutrient absorption. A groundbreaking 2022 study published in CDN, the Journal of Sarcopenia and Muscle, found that older adults who consumed whey glutamine at night saw a 63% improvement in muscle protein synthesis in just 30 days. How to prepare it: 1. Scoop 20 to 25 grams grass-fed whey protein. Isolate 5 grams L-glutamine powder, mix with water or unsweetened almond milk. Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before sleep. Avoid artificial sweeteners and cheap blends. They cause bloating and can mess with digestion and sleep quality. Comment muscle. If you're adding this to your bedtime routine tonight, let's recap the list. Your nighttime muscle-saving toolkit: Greek yogurt with chia cottage cheese, with cinnamon tart cherry juice, banana almond smoothie, bone broth, kiwi whey protein with glutamine. Don't need to do all 7 in one night. Start with 1. Even 1 change can give your body the signal to repair, not deteriorate. Remember, your muscles are always listening. Every bite, every sip, every night. So ask yourself, are you giving your body the support it needs to stay strong and independent? Because this isn't just about muscles, it's about mobility, confidence, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Tell us in the comments, which of these 7 will you try tonight? Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a video. And if you found this helpful, give it a like. It tells YouTube to show it to others who need it too. Until next time, take care of your muscles, and they'll take care of you.